So a lot of people say that they replaced their low beams in the C class, the GLK, and the E class, and the low beam still doesn't work. Well, a lot of times you just got you put the wrong bulb in the wrong spot, or the right bulb in the wrong spot. So check this out. The low beam's on the outside, the high beam's on the inside. But when you go to the back and you go to change it, all you see is this cover here, and that's the cover you remove. However, that's the cover that goes directly to the inside bulb. You need this cover that's hiding over here in the corner. That's the one where the low beam is actually at, and obviously it's both on each side. So if you look over here, you see this cover, and that's the one that you assume that the low beam is in. It's not. It's hiding over here in the corner. And the reason I made this video is because too many people, to no fault of your own, just that's the cover you see, so that's what you remove. And when I say, let's make sure you have the right bulb in the right spot, they start yelling at me, I'm not an idiot, I know what I'm doing. Well, it has nothing to do with being an idiot or smart enough. It's just that if you're unaware, it looks so obvious that's what you think is the issue, but it's not the issue. So just a quick hit video. So that's all. E class, GLK, and C class, from the 204 body to 212 body. I don't think any other models I had problems with. It's mainly the C and E. So, but this lovely GLK, and as you see, somebody installed these fancy, what are these, Xenon? Something like that. You can speak.
Gotcha.
You got Ralphie Boy with the camera.
Didn't want to break the fourth wall.
Back in there. So with no covers, you're open to the elements with rain and water and high pressure car washes, and she's from Colorado, so all the snow and stuff. But yeah, so just
you can put your weed in there.
Anything you want, right? Hide it all in there. So that's it. Yeah, we also got a 212 here, the E class. Check this out. E63 wagon. These things are going for really good prices right now. Ralph just picked this up for mid-20s. But if you look for the headlights, here's the high beam. And if you look in the back, that's the high beam cover, right? You need the one that's hiding way over here, the low beam. So if you follow to the front, here's the low beam, straight back. You can see the cover right there, all right? So again, most times people, this one over here sucks. It's the high beam, okay? And the low beam's hiding in there. Can't even see it, dark light. This one's a pain. Might have to pull the fender cover out to even see it, but yeah, that's all. Just pay attention to the right location. That's all. Happens to everybody. All right, guys, be safe.